Let's practice I'm cooking pancakes.
I'm cooking pancakes. They smell nice. Look at my shoes. They look old. Shall we have a rest? That sounds good. Touch this cloth. It feels soft. Eat some tomatoes. They taste beautiful.
That's great!